Good day, you're welcome to YSN Lagos program. Yeah, today we are on series 1, level 3, plotting using AutoCAD files. Here we have details of script file, preparing script for coordinate data, running script in AutoCAD, and error handling. So briefly, what is a script file? So script file is a text file with the file extension .scr, which simply means script that contains AutoCAD commands which are executed automatically to perform repetitive or complex drafting operations without manual typing. So let's go straight to the practical aspect. So we'll be running two methods. So the first method using the direct notepad, nothing and listing. Then the second method will be on Excel, where we'll be using our script file. So but the common aspect of the common means from the two is that we are using both run script method to run the two files. So starting with the notepad, so this is script like our underscore p line. P line means polyline, and the first is 10, first nodding, second is 10, second nodding. Then the last one will be we have to repeat the first is 10 and the first nodding, then type C. The C there means close. So working with the sample data, working with this sample data, this is what we have. The first coordinates, nodding and listing and nodding, listing and nodding, listing and nodding. Then I repeated the first one, then close. So this now, we want to run it on run script. We have to save it. Save as test.scr. Don't forget that scr means script. Good, saved. So first I have my AutoCAD. I have my AutoCAD screen, and I will firstly set my units, scale to degree meter seconds, precision to degree meter seconds, clockwise direction, precision, 3 decimal places, inches to meters, direction to north, okay, international, okay. Then after that, I will create a layer. It's very important for you to uh, have your work done on a layer. Okay, script, good. Then I'll run the script now. We can either type scr on your command line to work, to launch, or go to tools. From tools, click on run script. So then don't forget the name of what we save our data as text. Then I will open it. What do we have? We have it to run already, then close up. That's it. That's the first method using direct notepad. So the second method, that's normal script writing using Excel. So this is our sample data, same data we use for the other scripts. So we type in the script code here. We have our listing or nothing and our station ID. So is equals to, okay, I have it here. So for the Excel script writing, we have the test script and we have the point script. So the test as we'll be using it is equals to test space, then our listing. I'll select my listing, then I'll close it back, then comma, close, open again, listing, nothing, close, then my text height, let me use 0.5. It can vary, can use any value, just basically it's for you to normal text height so that it will show on your drawing. You'll be able to see it clearly. So then from text height to rotation angle. Okay, I can use 90. Depends. If I'm running spot height now or a topographical survey spot height, I may decide to use 60, 45 so that it will be tilted a little. So but for now I just wanted to run uh, my data. So the rotation angle, then after that we'll close it back. I want the script to label with my station ID for easy identification. Then close it, run it for download. I think that's completed. And for the point script is equals to point, yes. Then my history, close it back, open my model, enter, drag it down. Then these two scripts now, copy to my new, I will open a new script, a new notepad, paste it, copy the text, the points as well, paste it and save test 2. Don't forget any script file that you want to run using script code, using script method, you have to add the file extension .scr meaning script, save, so that AutoCAD can recognize it. Now come to my, okay, let me use new AutoCAD sheet or normal setting, unit setting. Done. After that, I'll create my layer as usual, SCR. Good. After that, I will come to tools, run scripts, and run my data. You can see we have a successful running. Then I will type Z enter E enter. That's zoom extent. I think I have my scripts now, and I will create another folder, another layer, boundary to join it up. So we have a closed traverse for this script. So I'll be joining it. Done. I may decide to change the color to red for easy identification. So we have it now. Yeah. So for this section, we've been able to achieve our run script method using direct notepad and direct script writing from Excel. So watch out for other series coming. Thank you.